Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to fix my little nail there and then get on with a tutorial. So I am taking a form here. I was not too worried about it being straight because I'm literally just fixing a corner. As you can see there, when I was filing, I accidentally kind of, chipped it a little bit. So I'm taking natural fiber, which is not a soak off gel, and I am going to fix that corner. And I really like natural fiber. Actually, I like all their fiber gels, but natural fiber is definitely my favorite because it gives that natural look to your nail. So I went ahead and put that on the corner, and then you kind of see me rubbing it across or like feathering it out so it looks as natural as possible. I'm gonna wipe that off and then I am going to file it down.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is
coming in with Nail Addicts After Dark, which is this beautiful brown color. This was a new release for their fall, and I do have a discount code. I will link it below, and I'm going to do a nice solid color on this nail. Losing my words there. Nice solid color on this nail, and then I'm going to actually end up putting foil on this, but you'll see when I start adding foil.
begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head. And
Taking Mia Secret's Blooming Gel, and I am going to apply that on my pointer finger, and you can see there's some color on there because, I kind of messed up a little bit, but it's okay. We're not perfect, it's fine. So I am taking that After Dark again, and we are just randomly putting it down because we are going to marble this nail. And what I liked about this one is I put down kind of a smaller amount, and then I kind of let it fade out, and then I went over the spots again. So you kind of had that building layer, and then I come in with some white gel, and then again with that foil.
if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
taking a matte top coat here because I am doing all matte for these nails, and this one is from Gelish, which is one of my favorite lines, I guess. I always use the Gelish foundation, and the matte top coat is great as long as you don't put a thick layer on. If you're putting a thick layer on, it can get kind of cloudy, so keep it thin.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean.
Taking Presto 240, we are going to do a tortoise nail. This nail, in my opinion, kind of stuck out a little bit more than I wanted to. I only do one layer of this mustard yellow, but I don't know, it just, I feel like I should have added maybe this yellow, maybe like on the thumb or something, and done like half solid, half tortoise. But here it is the design I did, so I am going to show that. Taking that blooming gel again, going to put that on, nice thin layer, and then I will go in with that After Dark, and then I take Madame Glam's Perfect Black, which is literally like perfect. It's awesome. So I let that kind of flow out a little bit. I don't cure, and then I go in with the black, and then I will cure it.
With you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in with.
Taking my Ugly Duckling Stick It, I don't think I would use this. Use just a normal gel. The first design I did with that, it didn't cure, so it was a hot mess express. So I was like, okay, well, I'll do this because I really want it to stick, which is going to be the leaves and the foil. But as you can see, it's very grainy. And I think they've talked about this in the past, that like if you boil it in water or put it in warm water or something, like it will essentially re-liquefy. I have not done that. As you can tell, it is all chunky, but I do this, add the foil, and then I kind of encapsulated it a little bit. I do know that this is a design on top, so if I were to do this again, I may file this one down just a little bit more, but these were very short. I didn't need much of a C curve, so it ended up being okay, but just keep that in mind.
Your life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Okay, going to match the pinky with the thumb, so I'm just doing a solid layer of After Dark, coming in with that foil and top coating. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.